Actually, the data planning design of the digital dashboard is need to think about. The dashboard is not just for looking fancy, right? More important is which information we can get from this dashboard and help us to make decisions. Therefore, the design of the dashboard is usually presented in different dimensions. One dashboard for one functional dimension and one dashboard for each production workshop. So you will see that there will be many dashboards in the war room. And the different positions will have their own data needs. Let's take a look at this major dashboard from the perspective of the business operator and the production manager. The major indicator he or she needs to know are the delivery rate of the orders and the daily capacity or weekly capacity. And from the perspective of the factory supervisor, the entire factory information will be focused on three data: the goals to be achieved, the abnormal to be removed, and the current state of the exception handling. If there is more critical data on dashboard, we can use gesture sensing to notice the cause of it. For example, the real-time data of OEE. When the efficiency is low, we can switch to see which of three measures in dedicated cause the efficiency down. Utilization time, utilization performance, and yield. Then find out whether the equipment is abnormal and the reason for this. We can adjust immediately to reduce the waste of the production cost. Okay, and about the multinational production factories, we can control the factory in Taiwan, Malaysia through the gesture switching. It is applied to the headquarter design and the global manufacturing. Next, let's see these two dashboards that analyze the factory data with different dimensions. For example, in this production time period, the manufacturing data is feedback and analysis by hours. We can know whether the quantity per hour meets the standard, whether the work orders per hour are produced smoothly. Under the overall monitoring hours, like the 8 hours a day, the production supervisor have 8 decision-making opportunities a day to carry out manufacturing deployment. Thereby, the concept of lean management is implemented. Next, let's look at the production schedule dashboard. This dashboard based on the sales order, work orders, and the production information for decision-making in the production and the sales meeting. Under the index of the order delivery, we can perform limited capacity scheduling. Okay. Let's check out this one. In terms of the factory management, active image recognition technology can be used for real-time management. This screen is demonstrated with the concept of the digital fence. When the automation line is active on the holidays, there is no one in factory at least 12 hours, 48 hours, or 16 hours. The issue of the factory safety can be solved through the visual identification solution. For example, if someone enters the operation area, a warning will pop out. Two judgment factors are used to determine whether it is a person or not, and whether she enters the forbidden area. If these two factors are met, the data will be sent back immediately. The system will perform the next process actions, such as issue a sound warning or shutting down the equipment or the robot in time.
Cảm ơn sự theo dõi của bạn. Hẹn gặp lại vào phần tiếp theo.